Welcome to Trailvia channel. Get ready to explore remarkable destinations. Imagine walking through centuries of American history, experiencing the past firsthand. Today, we're exploring 6 of America's oldest streets, each a living timeline connecting us to the nation's past. Let's start in St. Augustine, Florida with Avila Street, dating back to the early 1600s. Once known as Hospital Street, today it's lined with galleries, shops, and sidewalk cafes. Elfreth's Alley in Philadelphia, created in 1706, has been home to the same 32 houses for over 300 years. Visit the Elfreth's Alley Museum to learn about its working-class history. Wall Street in New York began as a wooden wall in 1653 and is now the nation's financial center. Snap a photo with the Charging Bull and Fearless Girl statues. Bourbon Street in New Orleans, French Quarter, is famous for its vibrant culture, music, and nightlife. Enjoy live jazz at Preservation Hall and explore Creole culture at Marie Laveau's House of Voodoo. Acorn Street in Boston's Beacon Hill is one of the most photographed streets in the world. River Street in Savannah, Georgia, is paved with stones from ships in the 1700s and is known for its haunted history. These streets are portals to America's layered history, offering a tangible connection to the past. Plan your historical walking tour. Subscribe to Trailvia channel for more incredible travel destinations. The world is waiting to be explored.